Today we will discuss some question related to polynomial. Let us start. Question is that find the zeros of the following. Quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficient. Now first example is that six x का स्क्वायर minus के 3 minus के 7x. Okay, and next question we discuss here. Second question, first question come here, the second question I write here. थ्री एक्स का स्क्वायर माइनस के एक्स माइनस के 4. Now first we discuss this question. Okay, this is the polynomial, ठीक है, over degree 2. Okay, now this is the px. Okay, px is equal to 6x का स्क्वायर, we take here 7x minus के 3, right? Now we factor. Before factoring this polynomial, we comparing quadratic polynomial. Comparing with quadratic polynomial. It's alright. We know that quadratic polynomial ax का स्क्वायर plus के bx plus के c. Now we compare this. Here coefficient of x का square a. Here coefficient of x का square is 6. Now a is equal to 6. Now coefficient of x b, and here coefficient of b minus 7, and constant c is equal to minus k. Right? Now we splitting the middle term. Okay. How can split the middle term? B multiply A multiply C. A multiply C. A multiply C. 6 multiply 3. 18. Now we factorize 18. Okay. 2, 3, 3 is the factor of 18. Now we arrange like that. We arrange these factors like that the factor become minus 7. Okay, how can arrange the term? Now we multiply 3, this separate, 3 multiply 3 9 and 2. We take minus sign before 9 and plus sign plus 2. 9 and 2 is the minus 9 and 2 is the factor of this middle term minus 7. Now replace this middle term 6x का square minus के 9x plus के 2x minus के 3. Alright. Now here we common 3 is the common, 3x is the common, both terms 6x square minus 9x 2x minus k 3 plus here 1 is the common 2x minus k 3. Alright. Now, both term 2x minus 3 here or 2x minus 3 here, common throughout the bracket. I am writing like that, 2x minus k 3 and 3x plus k 1. Now this is the factor. Now here, so px is equal to 0, right? The definition say about px is equal to 0, then 2x minus k 3, 3x plus k 1 equal to 0. Either this 0, either this equal to 0. 2x plus minus k 3 equal to 0 and 3x plus k 1 equal to 0. 2x equal to 3 which imply x is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, this is the value of x. Okay, the zeros of this polynomial. Here 3x equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus k 1 by 3. This is the another zeros of this polynomial. Okay, now we also called alpha is equal to 3 by 2 and beta is equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay, this is not necessary. Alpha is this we also called alpha, beta is also called. Okay, either these zeros we called anyone is the alpha and beta, right? Now